Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Most go to market plans leave in someone's head and a half built spreadsheet. Cost goes here, revenue goes there, and the gap between them stays invisible until the runway runs short. This simulator puts a hard number on both and shows you whether your plan actually works. This is a GTM cost and timeline simulator by Upgrowth. You give it your market size, your team cost, your deal size, your sales cycle, and your success rate, and it shows you what your launch cost, what revenue to expect, your sales velocity, and how your spend breaks down across the team. So let us walk through the inputs. First is total addressable market. It's nothing but the size of the opportunity in front of you. And I've entered 5 crore rupees there. And target market penetration, the share you aim to capture in this cycle. And timeline, your GTM cycle length. And distribution strategy, the route you reach buyers through. If it is direct, partner led, or hybrid, pick the one that fits your model. And sales cycle length, the average time from first contact to close. And average deal size, what one customer pays you. And team cost by function, like engineering team, sales team, and the marketing cost, and the customer success cost. And below we have success rate assumption, the share of targeted deals you actually close, and gross margin, what is left after the cost of delivering each deal. Now, after entering all the inputs, just click on calculate GTM plan. And here is what the output shows. Total launch cost over 12 months is around 1 crore 14 lakh rupees, your full team burn for the year. And months to profitability reach 12. The card matches your timeline rather than calculating an actual break even month. So read it as a cycle window, not the moment your bank balance turns positive. And expected revenue in year one is about 3 lakh 76,000 rupees. Projected from your market size, penetration target, and success rate, that figure sits well below your launch cost, which is the tool's most useful signal. At this deal size and this team scale, the math does not yet close, and that is something you want to see before you sign the offer letters, not after. And sales velocity reaches 7.8 deals by month 12, a steady ramp from launch to a healthy monthly run rate. And the GTM financial projection chart plots cost and revenue across the year, so you can see how the two lines compare. The readiness assessment and milestone table walk you through the year: early traction at month 4, scaling at month 6, optimization at month 9, and a year end review at month 12 with cumulative cost and revenue side by side. And the cost category table splits your spend by function: engineering 53%, sales 32%, and marketing 11%, and customer success 5%. For most early stage GTMs, this engineering heavy split is normal, but it is also the first lever to revisit if revenue lags. And the execution phase table groups the year into three stages, like foundation in month 1 to 4, where you validate product market fit and the risk is highest, scaling from months 5, and optimization from month 9 onwards, where you focus on margin and retention. Go to market is where most startups quietly bleed cash. Engineering and sales cost ramp up fast, revenue lags by months or years, and founders without this view in front of them end up making highs and pricing calls after the bank account has already shrunk. This simulator puts the full picture on one screen, so you spot the gap between your launch cost and your project revenue before you commit to team, a market, or a price point that does not pay back. So run this with your own market size, team cost, and deal size before your next board meeting or fundraising round. The link is in the description. And if you want Upgrowth to help you build a tighter GTM plan with the right cost and channel mix, book a free strategy call with us right below here. We can help you out. Thank you.